No more flu, cold and cough. Common colds refer to headache, slight sweats on the head, forehead, nasal congestion and runny nose, fever and cold, sore throat, sandy voice, tonsillitis, muscle aches and pains, fatigue, fever and chills, loss of appetite, cough, sputum yellow or green, chest tightness, shortness of breath, bronchitis. The flu is caused by rhinovirus, coronavirus, and parainfluenza viruses. These viruses are present in the respiratory tract of patients and spread to others through droplets. At the onset, most of them are low-grade fever, patients with nasal congestion and runny nose, sore throat, headache, body aches, fatigue and weakness.